Hello there. Today we are going over how to use the TacomaFirst 311 online platforms, which have been revamped to make it easier for you to notify the city of requests for non-emergency services, tag locations using enhanced mapping features, attach photos of specific problems and requests, receive timely responses from the city, and be notified of specific requests and general city updates. You don't necessarily need an account if you are submitting a request as a guest, but keep in mind that if you do this, staff won't be able to follow up with you individually on your request. If you have an account, you can log into the mobile app or online platform. On the first screen that comes up once you've logged in, you'll see any outstanding public requests you or your neighbors may have. You can also submit a new request. From here, you can either type in a street address, or you can drag the map icon to a particular point on the map and the system will note the specifics of that location. If everything looks good to you, select Confirm Location. Next, you can select Search by Category to find the type of request you're looking to submit. Or you can find it by going through a list of city departments and request types that they handle. Select an appropriate request type, and if you have an image you wish to attach, select Add Image. Once all looks good to you, confirm the details of your request. From here, you'll see the 3 submission options. If you don't have an account, submit your request as a guest, but keep in mind that if you do this, staff won't be able to follow up with you individually on your request. If you do have an account, you can submit as yourself. And in selecting this option, your username will be publicly visible on the map, and your email will be able to communicate with city staff. You can also choose Hide Your Identity. And in selecting this option, your username and email will be hidden from both the public as well as city staff. However, you and city staff can still communicate by posting comment updates on the request, even though city staff cannot see your contact information. Once submitted, assuming you've logged in, your request should be viewable from the same map you saw in the beginning. From that map, you can click on your own request and add a comment to provide updates as needed. Although the option to add a comment on a request is only available to the individual who made it, you can track requests submitted by others by hitting Follow on the request. One call, one click, one visit. TacomaFirst 311 makes access to non-emergency city services easier than ever. Learn more at cityoftacoma.org/TacomaFirst 311.